Have you ever wondered how the world transformed from quiet agricultural societies to bustling industrial powerhouses? The Industrial Revolution, which began in the 18th century, marked a pivotal change in society. It redefined how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. The revolution started when humans learned to extract power from natural resources. This shift began around 1760, primarily in Great Britain, which had abundant coal and innovative thinkers. 5 pillars anchored this transformation: high agricultural productivity, political stability, geographic advantages, a spirit of inquiry from the scientific revolution, and an economic landscape favoring machines over human labor. Before factories emerged, work was done at home. Families produced textiles by hand. But demand soared, forcing inventors to create faster machines. For instance, John Kay invented the flying shuttle, improving weaving speed. Innovators like James Hargreaves and Richard Arkwright followed, pushing textile production to unprecedented levels, leading to drastic changes in cities like Manchester, now known as Cottonopolis. However, this evolution came at a cost. While machines revolutionized production, they also created a darker side of industrial life. Urbanization exploded, and cities became overcrowded. Many migrated to cities, seeking work in factories. The squalid living conditions, coupled with harsh factory environments, led to widespread suffering. Child labor became a grim reality, with young children working long hours in dangerous conditions. This led to the rise of social movements advocating for labor rights, culminating in laws to regulate working conditions. Despite adversity, the revolution also birthed a new middle class. For the first time, many enjoyed a standard of living that included consumer goods once deemed luxuries. The invention of railways transformed transport, linking cities and accelerating trade and commerce. As the US and other countries industrialized, they adapted practices and innovations from Britain, shaping their unique paths. Japan, for instance, embraced modernization during the Meiji Restoration, transforming from a feudal society to an industrial power. The impact of the Industrial Revolution was profound and far-reaching. Whether it was the emergence of trade unions or the beginning of environmental movements, the revolution sparked debates and changes that would shape modern society. With electric power, the world began to connect in new ways, setting the stage for future advancements. Today, we live in a world anchored in the legacies of this monumental transition. Reflecting on this history prompts us to consider the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Understanding the Industrial Revolution not only illuminates our past but guides us in maneuvering through the complexities of modern life. Join us to explore more about the Industrial Revolution and uncover the threads that connect our current society to this transformative era. Subscribe, and together, let's keep the history reborn.